So these gears are finished. You can see the shapes of the fingers. They're really torn. These, especially these three here, this one, where the middle one is the worst. So should replace the chain when you do this. Also, but let's get this out of the way. It's 8, count them. 6, 7, 8. You buy these in 7, 8, 9. They're probably 10 now. So I just removed this shaft and now have to remove this internal shaft. It's bolts here and on the other side. So I will do that, remove them now. So I'm using these tools. You see I have 2 of them. Exactly the same, small one. And you just, I've already loosened it, but it's pretty easy, you just, and now I can do it by hand. Yeah, the ball bearing looks pretty bad actually. Torn. What has happened here? So this was the last piece. So you can see the ball bearing in there. And now I just use this tool. Put it in. And then I use a chain whip. I fasten this one here. And I've already loosened it, but it wasn't tight. But you keep holding this one down and you screw this like you normally screw out a bolt or whatever. So now it comes here. I can do it by hand. So I've just bought this on Biltema. It's from Shimano and it's an Altus series. So hope this will fit. Yeah, so you got one small one here. And you got one small one there. So these two has to match. Time to remove the plastic. So I finally got the ball bearings in. I don't have the right consistency of the grease, so they keep falling down. I should have another grease, but I don't have it at home here. I have it where I have. Well, I don't have it here in this place. I have other places. So now I'm gonna tighten this one. Something like that. Perhaps a bit more tight. But it wasn't tight at all when I got it. Time to put back. And this has some small torns there, but yeah, we used it anyway. So I put it in the wrong direction. This should be from this side. So this goes like this. It should be. I put it the wrong side, you know. So now I have it correct. So I'm just putting back these ball bearing adjustments. It's getting a bit hard, so gotta start using the tools again. So basically I've just screwed this up, and now I don't have any little jitter. So I tighten it until the jitter stops, and then I'm happy. And so this feels good, and it still is turning fine. So this should never be too tight and not too loose. So now the final, just put back this and tighten. And usually the inner one will move, so you have to, now it's get more tight, so it gets too tight, you can feel, can you hear? So then I have to loosen it up again and adjust. So this is, you have to be thorough with this. And everything's been adjusted, sounds okay, and the jitter, and it's turning without any metallic. This is okay, no jitter, that's the way you want it. And the final step is putting back this one, the shaft axle, or what do you say? This has to be greased. Yeah, put it back on the bike. You should change the chain also, of course, if you want it fresh. So this is the tool you use to remove the sprockets. You need this one. Special bike tool. And it's back on the bike. And I know it looks terrible down here. Yeah. It's really torn. Let's see how long we'll keep this one. Using a regular motor oil to service the change. I found regular motor oil to be really good.